Hello. Today we're going to be talking about getting Substance Painter to work in Linux. As you can see, we are in Kubuntu Linux. This is what I like to use. And I have it through Steam. This is how we get it to work. So, let's go ahead and talk about how to get this Linux to work. I went ahead and put everything in a document, and I'll leave this in the description, but make sure your drivers are up to date. That says skip, so I guess I skipped that. But we're going to install this using sudo, and then we're going to go ahead and I'm not going to show you to do this, so I'll have it in the description, but I will show you on the Steam how to do that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and set it to compatibility mode and change the launch option. So, what you want to do is go to your Adobe Substance Painter, Properties, and in your launch options, go ahead and add this. And in compatibility, we're going to force compatibility, and we're going to use the PROTON experimental. And as you can see, we are using this version. If you're dual booting, you're going to want to have the same version. That way your Substance files can be worked on either one. That is what I do. But yeah, once you have that done, you should be able to install Substance Painter. There are some limitations, as you can see. I find opening and stuff doesn't really work too well. What I like to do is just drag in documents like so, and this seems to work the best. So as you can see, our file loaded just fine. Some things I've noticed, if you have to like bake mesh maps or your high poly data, that can take 20 years. So I do that in Windows. Sometimes, let me add a new layer. Sometimes your mask will not load right, won't load at all. It looks like it's working fine right now, but sometimes it doesn't, and you just have to keep doing it or reload it. Those are the main things I found, but for the most part, things work as you would expect. It's very slow performance compared to say Windows. So like I would use this. That's crazy. Yeah, I would use this for doing like quick changes if I was on Linux and didn't want to switch over, or if I didn't have a dual boot system, I would have to use this. It's not as good as Windows in my opinion, but if you don't have a dual boot system, this might be the best you can do. But yeah, we have it working. It's emulated. It's not made for Linux. So yeah, I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.